Looking for perfect phone and 2025? So this is the right place for you. And welcome to Anas Academy. So start the video.
Infinix Note 12 VIP. Infinix is unveiling a new Note 12 smartphone which has got the moniker VIP at the end. The Chinese company is working on its new handset, which will be a budget-friendly phone. The newcomer will be a Note series device and will be named. This smartphone will be powered by one of the latest chipsets available for smartphones in the market, which is called MediaTek MT6781 Helio G96. The new Infinix Note 12 VIP has a 2.05 octa-core processor under the hood of this handset. This new upcoming smartphone has a 6.7 inches screen size, which is a big screen display. The new Infinix's Note 12 VIP has got a capacitive AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, and this device has got a full HD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Also, there is a GPU of AMOLED G97MC2. The Infinix Note 12's going with 8GB of RAM, which is the highest point of RAM used in this smartphone, so you can say that your phone is going to run at a super fast speed because of its powerful RAM. The built-in storage capacity of the Note 12 VIP by Infinix is 256GB, which means that the capacity of your data is unlimited. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a triple camera setup. The main sensor of the Infinix 12 VIP will be 108 megapixels wide. The ultra-wide camera of the phone will be 13 megapixels along with a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The selfie shooter in this phone will be 16 megapixels to make taking selfies easier and more attractive. The Infinix Note 12 VIP has got a side-mounted fingerprint reader is there to protect it from any unauthorized person. The battery of the phone is also a massive one. The Note 12 VIP is fueled with LiPo non-removable 4500 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone got a fast charging of 120W. Now, Samsung and other smartphone companies will have a competitor when 12 VIP is launched.
So this was today's video. So bye bye.